It's actually just a human. Let's see if random people can spot the difference. Jake, you'll have 10 seconds to pick which one of these animals you want to release. Pick the human, and I'll give you 10 grand. Pick wrong, you just released a wild animal.
Are you serious?
Go!
Oh my God.
Which animal do you think is a human? Jake, you have 6 seconds, and I'm releasing one.
Cow, alligator,
3, 2,
oh,
which am I releasing?
gorilla.
You want me to release the gorilla?
I don't know. Wait.
You guessed correctly. Here's $10,000.
Thank you so much.
Isn't that sweet? Subscribe.